Hello, my name is Dragos, and in this video I would like to present you how you can create a landing page for your blog that is not the default one and has some interesting elements. For creating the landing page, we'll use the Gutenberg editor. This is the default editor that was introduced in WordPress 5.0, and it is offering some interesting options when it comes to create articles or creating unique designs. This editor, the Gutenberg one, it's in direct concurrence with the Elementor or other page builder plugins. Currently, this Gutenberg editor is at beginning and it is not having a lot of elements built for it, but with time I think that it will replace the page builder plugins. The Gutenberg editor, it is good for designing basic templates like landing pages. If you want to have something more complex, then you will need a page builder because it is offering a lot more of elements. In this video, I will show you how you can build a page exactly like this one, where you will have a call to action in here with a button. It will not display a pop-up, but you can put anything you want in this. Then another sections where you will have the about me, the social channels, then some widgets with latest posts, then a carousel with posts from certain category, in this case tutorials, then another post widget that can use and add articles from different category, then a coupon section in case you want to use some coupons. With Gutenberg you can create some really nice design. This is one example. Another one that I have is this one. It's on my technology site. It is offering some similar layouts. It is looking like this. So it is beating the default layout that if you're gonna use, it will be like this, for instance. So the other design, it is looking more nice than this one that the team is using. To create the landing page, we'll use a theme on two Gutenberg plugins. The theme is called Astra. It is a free theme. It is also having a premium options that is adding more customizations. It is a fast theme and it is offering a lot of flexibility. I choose this theme because it allows you to choose every page layout, to disable elements on it, and as I told you, it's some of the fastest themes out there. Then to add the Gutenberg blocks, we will use two plugins. First plugin, it is Ultimate Add-ons for Gutenberg. It's a free plugin. It is having more than 20 elements that you can use and add on your page. You can add info boxes, post layouts, you can add a theme, price list, social share, testimonials, buttons, and so on. It is having a lot of nice widgets. You can visit the site for the demo. The second plugin that we're gonna use, it is called Stackable. It is having some really nice design. It is having a free version and the paid version. The paid version, it isn't allowing you to add more customizations to your blocks. But For my purpose, I am using the free version. This is some of the elements that this plugin can help you with. It has some common elements with the other one, but they are different. As I've told you, you can create different designs in function of the elements that you're using. For instance, in this technology site, I have used some separators like this that Stackable has in the free version, and so on. So let's go and build our homepage layout with this form. So first thing that you need to do is to go into the dashboard and install the plugins and themes. Okay, let's go there. I already have them installed, but I will show you from where you can do that. For instance, to install the theme, you need to go to Appearances, Themes, hit the Add New, and in here search for Astra. This is the theme. It's already installed and activated. Can install it in this way. Then we need to go and add the plugins with Add New. Stackable is the first plugin. This one. You just need to install it and activate it. And the second one is Ultimate Add-ons. For Gutenberg. Is this one. You can go search it and install it. I already have both installed on my site. Next, after you install the theme and the plugin, you need to go and create your home page. To create the home page, go to Pages and hit Add New. Let's wait a second for the page to be added. Let's call it Home 2. Okay. Next, we'll need to choose the layout, because if we're gonna use the default layout, it will look like this. So it will have the sharing buttons on it, and it will have the sidebar in the right. We don't want to use any of this. So next we'll need to disable all of this. So we can go into the right side in the documents section, and in here we have some Astra settings that we can choose. For instance, we can use no sidebar because we don't want to use the sidebar on home page. And in the layout, full width contained, this is the one that I'm choosing, and we can disable the tile, we can disable the breadcrumbs, and then we can disable the sharing buttons on this. Now we'll hit save, and if we preview now the page, it should not have this element. So if you see here, it will just be a blank space where you can add your elements. We only have the title and the footer. Next, we'll go and add the elements. I've also written an article here that will also help you do this and have everything. First is to add the first block. It's the one with the action block, and this one it is called the header. Let's go and add a block. We can do it here. So we search for header. This is from the stackable. We'll add it like this. As you can see here, it is already having the default layout. You can write something here. You can put your other text in this place. You can change the button text from the right side. You can paste here the URL for the button. So in the right side, to make some customizations, you can choose the layout like plain or basic. I'll choose the basic one. You can change the colors for your text in here. So the title color. Here you have the background settings. I choose to let a color. You can add an image here or a video. From here you change the button. You have some basic designs. You can change the color, the size, border radius. You can choose an icon, for instance, for your button. I don't know, let's try like this, for instance. You can put the one from Amazon. You can change the text for the button in this area. Let's change the text. Let's see where it is. You can click it in here and change the text. Okay, so now we have the call to action that we've created. If we hit the preview, it will show nicely in the home page. Okay, as you can see, it has appeared here. You can, for instance, if you want to have it on the full width, you can go in here and change the full width stretched, and this should change the layout of the page and created a full width like this that will occupy everything. But I don't want this. I want to be contained because I like it more. This is just an opinion, so I'll put it back to contained. So next, what we have on the page, is the About Me block. It is displaying like this. Let me show you how you can add it. You need to add a future block. So we just need to go and add another one. Let's go here and add the future one is from Stackable. Okay, and right now you will have this block. Here you have some options to choose the design from Blazing and Plain in the free version. In here you can put the About Me text or any other text that you want to use. And in here you can put an image. Let's put this image because it's nice. Let's just see how it looks. And then you can change the text for the button. Let's do that. Okay, here you paste the URL to your page. In the right section, you have the options to change the text color, the image size, for instance, if you want a smaller image, like this. You have some background settings. You can choose a background color, you can put an image or a video, and so on. This this is just an implementation of this future box. You can add anything you want, maybe a service, maybe another important stuff that you want to show it to your visitor. And right now, if we save it and hit the preview, let's see how it will look like. So you have the call to action, then you have the about me that is displayed in here. Next, we have some, let me open again, we have some social buttons in the home page, like this one. So we want to add them. So after the about me, let's go and add the social elements. To do this, we need to add a section and then advanced column, and inside each we add the images. To do that, we need to go again to the page and hit here section. This is from the Ultimate add-on block. So we add a section, then we want to add advanced column like this. By default it will show 2 columns. To have 3, because I have 3 accounts that I want to show, we do it like this. Here we have some options like to stack on mobile and so on. Next, we need to add an image on each. Just go like this and add an image. You can upload one, or you can insert one already existing in the media library. Let's see if I can find the social share ones to add them. Okay, they are here. We'll start with Facebook first. I made a mistake. Let's add again. Okay, let's go to the Facebook one. Okay, then you can resize it as big as you want. Let's use 144. You see here. Let's center it, and in here you can put out the custom URL to your page. Then you do the same for the second one. You need to add an image again. Let's choose the YouTube one. Select it. In here you will resize it. This one I'll let it a little bigger to match with the other one. Same, you put the URL in here. You center it. Next we add the third one, the Pinterest one. No upload, I already have it. Come on, Pinterest. Okay, we make it 144. Okay, again you put the custom URL here, you center it, And now if we save it and hit the preview, we should have the social buttons added here. You can make them smaller if you want, and you can add a title and so on, but I will let it like that. Then let's see what we have next. We have a separator in here that we can add. I will use this line. To add it, we just go here and add a separator. Like this. In the styles, you choose the wide line. If you would like to add a more fancy one, you can add the separator from stackable. In here you have some options that can change, but I will not use it. Then we add a title, heading, H2, we put the latest post. And then we will need to add a block with a post. We search for the post. This widget, it is from Stackable. We add it, and it will add us this widget. It is looking like this by default, but we need to modify it. In the right side here, you can change everything to it. What I want to change here, it's the order is newest to older. It is okay. I want all the categories. Number of items, I want to show 4. I want to have 4 columns. Like this. I want to display the tile. I want to display the future image. I want the full size image to be shown here to look nicely. Then I don't want to show the excerpt. I don't want to show the category. I don't want the date. I don't want the author. I don't want the comments. I want a clean, simple design like this. So we hit save and then preview. Then you will see that we have the element added. It is looking like this. It is clean and is looking nice. Okay, next, let's see what we still have. We have a carousel with the post from a certain category, in my case tutorials. Before that we have also separator here that is added. Let's add a separator first. Again the same. Let's add a separator, wide line. Then we add a title in heading. So in my case I want to show tutorials. Then I add a carousel. This one is called Post Carousel. I click it, and by default it will look like this. It will show the latest posts. If I go into the right side, I can choose the options. I will let the post type to be post from the categories. The category I want the tips one. The number of items I want to be 6. I want them to be ordered by date, descending. Columns, I want to have 4 columns. I want them to be equal height. So in case one it's smaller like this one, it will be the same height. Next, I have some options for the carousel. I want the autoplay speed to be higher. Show arrows and dots. This is the size. I'll let it as default. Here it is the image and image position. I want to use the full. Then I have the image position, it is on top. Then I have some content. I don't want to show the author, I don't want to show the date, show the comments over the excerpt. I want to have something simple like this. We can customize the show read more link. If you don't want to show it, you can remove it like this, or change the readme border. You have a lot of options here. Here you can choose the title, hashtag. You have also the options to change the colors. For instance, I want them to be blue and the text to be white, like this. So then we hit save and hit preview, and we have our widget that has the post carousel. So it is looking like this. You can scroll to it. So right now we have these elements. Next, let's see what we have on the home page. I have another category from the WooCommerce articles. Let's go and add it. Before I have a separator, let's add the separator. Okay, let's add the title, the heading. And now let's add the post. We can go to Ultimate Add-ons and add the post grid. For this, it is looking as the above one, that is not having any effects. To change it, we go into the right side. We have the same options as for the carousel one. Number of columns to be 4. I want 4 elements only to be displayed. From the category here, WooCommerce. Okay, then we have the options to change the image. Let's put it full. Then the content, again, I don't want the author, date, comment, and excerpt. Then we have the options to change the colors as before. The background color, I can put it like this to look more like the WooCommerce one. The text white. And right now I have another widget with WooCommerce articles. We hit save. Now if we hit preview, we will have that widget. So right now it is looking like this. We have the home page, and next we will need to add the coupons, because in my site you will see also options here. We check all the coupons and the coupons here. To do this, we will need to first to add this box with the coupons. So in case someone wants to see all the coupons, to just click it. To do this, let's see. what I have here. So we also need an affiliate coupon plugin for this, for the pen coupon section. This is the plugin, having also a free version. It will allow you to add coupons in separate posts and insert them where you want. To add this, we go to the page. First we add a container like this one, and we remove everything. Here we want to add a section where someone can click on all the all the coupons. Then we need to add advanced columns. We need two, one for the title and here we can add a button. Sorry, let's in the right side you can customize the button as you like. I will let it like this for now. Then we will need to add the coupon. To do this we can use a shortcode. Let's see what I have here. This is the coupons that I have, so we will need to use a shortcode. Let's go into settings and see if we have here the coupon code. So here we have some shortcodes that we can use. Let's try this and see how it looks. Here we are the shortcode. Like this. Let's hit save and hit preview and see how it is looking. Okay. Right now I have the header for the coupons, and here we have the coupons. You can also use these plugins to add extra elements if you want, or to add different. For instance, in here you have options to add, let's say, a number box, an image box, a testimonial, team member. For instance, if you want to add some team members, you can do it like this. If you go here, you can add also some pricing tables. Let's search. Here we have price list, price box. Let's go with price box. You can add it like this. You have also options to add the post timeline if you want it. Let's go and check it here. content timeline like this. This is just some examples for you to see that you can design your homepage with other elements if you wish. So if you hit preview, for instance, you will see how it is looking. Okay, so this is the coupon. Then in here you have, for instance, the theme. Here you have some of the pricing options. Here you have the content timeline if you want to add it, and so on. You can add testimonials and other nice elements to it. So right now we have our homepage with everything on it. Next, you can modify your title and description for the SEO purposes, because this will be the homepage for the new blog. Next, you will need to publish it. Just hit the publish button. I will just save this as draft. And after the page it is published, you need to go to the settings area, into the reading panel, and in here from your latest post you need to choose the second option, a static page. For the home page you choose the home page. For the blog you create another blank page with only the name, and you choose it from here, blog, and you hit save. And afterward, when you will enter your home page, you will see the new layout that you've created. This is the tutorial on how you can customize with Gutenberg your blog homepage. This is more for the blog sites. It is helping you create an interesting design. You have various options to use different elements if you like different things. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching.